Yes, students, ninth question, very important question, and you have to follow a trick for solving this question. So you can see, first of all, you can see what is the coefficient of x here, 13. The same coefficient y is having. Here the coefficient of y is 11, here x is having the same coefficient. So this can be done with any method, either substitution or elimination method. But tricks are always helping us to reduce the calculation. So for this, I will tell you the trick, but that is applicable only in this case when the coefficient of x and y in different equations are same. Okay, mark equation 1 and 2. In the first step, we will add up both the equations. So let's add 13 plus 11, 24x. 11 plus 13, 24y is equal to, when you will add, you will get this. So you can see 24 can be taken common, which I have taken over here, and it will become x plus y. Take 24 this side. When you will do cuttings, x plus y is equal to 6. So easy equation, simple equation you got. Now in the second step, what we'll do, equation 1 minus equation 2. So when you will subtract, see children, 13 minus 11 will become 2x. 11 minus 13 will become minus 2y. Clear? So same thing I wrote here, 2x minus 2y, and here it is given 70 minus 74 will be minus 4. I can take 2 common, which I have taken here. So x minus y is equal to minus 2 when you will take 2 this side. So third and fourth equation, how simple they are. You can see this is third equation, this is fourth equation. Now you can see children, here already y are same and they are with the opposite sign. So if I'll add them, y and y will get cancel. X plus x will become 2x. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So from here x is equal to 2. Now put this value of x in any equation, either third, either fourth, you will get value of y. 12th question, students. It is given. So let's write it in the standard form. 7x I kept over here only. 10y that side. It will change to minus, and 4 when we'll take this side will change to positive. Second equation is in standard form. Now same procedure I'll follow. X under x, y under y, and constant. The coefficient of x is 12. I'll multiply first equation with 12. Coefficient of x is 7. I'll multiply second equation with 7. So when you will multiply all the terms with 12, you will get this. When you will multiply all the terms with 7, you will get this. Our next step is to subtract the equations. Signs will change. Positive will change to minus. Plus will change to minus. Plus will change to minus. They'll get cancelled. Now minus is plus. When you will add, you will get 246. Sign of greater number minus y is equal to 48 minus 7 is 41. So y will be equal to 41 over 246 minus 246. So value of y is minus 1 over 6. Now put this value in any equation. I put it in equation number 1. This was equation 1. So replace y with minus 1 over 6. Minus and minus will change to plus. Then transpose 10 over 6 that side will change to minus. Now you take LCM. 6 4s are 24 minus 10 over 6, that is 14 over 6. And x is 14 over 6. Take 7 over here. Cancel it. Answer is 1 over 3. 15th question. Given in this form, 10% means 10 by 100x, 20% means 20 by 100y is equal to this. After cuttings, you will get this. Take LCM. Clear? 10 divided by 10, 1. 1 into x is x. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 into y is 2. Y is equal to 24. Now take 10 over here. It will become 240. So this is first equation. Second is already given in the standard form. Then we'll follow the same procedure. Multiply this equation with 3. And here the coefficient is 1. After multiplication, you will get this. Then when you will subtract, sign will change. Plus will change to minus. Minus will change to plus. Plus will change to minus. Will get cancelled. 6 plus 1y, 7y. 720 minus 20 is 700. So y is 100. Now put this value in any equation. You will get the value of x. Clear? Now 18th question, children. It is given in this form. So let's write it in the standard form first. Take LCM. 5 and 4 LCM will be 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 will multiply with this term which I wrote here. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Multiply by this term, I wrote it here, is equal to this. Open the bracket now. 7 4s are 28. 4x minus 10y minus plus 5y is equal to, take 20 this side. 20 will multiply with 3y minus 5. So you will get this. Now on collecting the like terms, minus 6x plus 5y 60y I took this side and 20 that side. So when you will solve, you will get this. Now minus is common, I took it. This minus and this minus will get cancelled and we got the equation in standard form. Now the same thing children, this is second equation. Same procedure will follow. Take LCM. LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 will multiply with both the terms. Now 6 divided with 6 is 1. So this term same we'll get is equal to this. Now when you will open 15y minus 21 plus 4x and takes 6 that side, 6 will multiply with 18 minus 5x. Now when you will open, you will get this. Now on collecting variables and constants on the other side, you will get second equation. Now children, same procedure, mark this as equation number 1 and 2. And we know that I took y as the variable here. I multiplied first equation with 5 and second with 55. Rest of the procedure you will complete yourself only. Beta 16th question, you are given value of mx minus ny is 3. When m is 5, replace, when x is 5. So replace x with 5, what you will get? 5m. And when y is 6, 6y is equal to 3. Clear? So you are given value of this expression is 3 when x is 5 and y is 6. Second case, they have given the value of same expression is 8. When x is 6, I put it here 6, it will become 6m, and value of y is 5. 5n is equal to 8. Now you got two equations, but here the variables are m and n. But don't worry, same procedure with x and y as you solved, you have to solve with the same procedure.